This is a Vince Marino Plumbing LLC. I just hooked up a customer's new stove. I'm testing it for carbon monoxide. I hooked up the gas line. I had to put a valve back here. But anyway, this is at 425, and this is putting off at 143 parts per million of carbon monoxide. It's set for 500. And he's going to call the Lowe's to come and adjust it. We're still at 140 parts per million, brand new. This was not used, has not been used. We're at 455, getting to the 500. So since it's brand new, I told him to call the have them come out and adjust it. Now it's coming down, but still that's a lot of carbon monoxide. You can see my handheld what it's doing. I'm going to check the bottom oven. This is the top, the middle, bottom oven. I'm going to check the middle one next. This is very high. So in the meantime, I'm going to stop this and turn it back on and do the... This is the bottom oven. You can see the light on. We're going to shut this off and I'll be right back. We're still at 102 parts per million. It's gone back up. So I'm assuming the air band is off the Ventura. As you can see, it's climbing back up as I hold this in here. 145 parts per million, 151. This particular customer called me to connect the stove for him, the range. They didn't have a gas valve on the same floor as the appliance. If the Lowe's would have hooked it up and walked away, they would have had problems. This is putting out 162 parts per million. It's fluctuating. Okay, so the oven is definitely out of adjustment. It's going back up after 5-8 minutes to 73 parts per million. And according to the manual here, NCI, after 5 minutes running, in excess of 50 parts per million, the service needs to be done. Adjustment to the shutter or the gas regulator. This is not something has to be done. Now it's coming to 49. It's fluctuating. I'm going to check the other side here. The other side's 30, 29. This definitely is out of calibration. So we're going to see what the, I'm going to get back to you, what the low says. This is going up to 42, 43. I'm talking to my video. 48, 51. This has been running for over 10 minutes. 54 parts, 56. Now this is coming on and shutting off. And then it drops. You took the video of the high 100 and see, this comes on and then shuts off. So every time this comes on, you're getting 100 parts per million carbon monoxide. It's deadly. Right now it's lowering, but as soon as it comes back on, the heat, it's going to increase, which it just did right now. It's going to start to rise. The burner come back on, so it's starting to increase. This is a brand new LG top burner, simmer, in 2 ovens. And this is what it's putting out, brand new. This has been running for over 13 minutes now. My alarm's going off at 11, see? We're at 69 parts, 61. Okay, I'm going to stop this and do the other oven. Okay, we're doing the medium oven now, the upper oven, which would be this. It's probably going to do the same. It's heating up, it's 100. We're at 7 parts per million. Your wife's going to be disappointed.
I mean, at this point, I think we're kind of expecting something else to go wrong. It's been like a month trying to get this fucking thing in here.
At 100 degrees, it's at 27, 30 parts per million, almost. This is what my handheld's putting out. This is the medium oven. I'm bleeding out my, zeroing my thing out. Back here, you want to take a video?
My phone doesn't take videos.
Or a picture.
Okay, sure.
We're at 79 parts. You got it? This is the other side. Now we got it now really good. 58 parts per million. That's the top. Okay? That's putting out 258 parts per million. We're not gonna die. I have my thing here. I'm just trying to tell you. So I'll print this out for you. I'll have the video. We're at 205 degrees. 210. And this will go up, you'll see. You have a room carbon monoxide detector? These are set to go off low to warn you. The ones that I have, that I'm buying, will go off this low. The ones at the Lowe's or Home Depot will go off at 70 parts. This is the left side now. This is definitely a small animal killer right here. 312 parts per million. Brand new LG stove. I'm taking the video right now. I'm going to save us. All right, let me open the door. We'll shut this off right now. We're going to terminate this. And I'm going to leave my tag. He's going to call Lowe's back. How do you stop us?
There's a stop button. There's 3 gray ones on the right.
It's off?
I think so.
Okay, so in the meantime, this is Vince Marino, Plumbing LLC in Pittsburgh. I'm signing out. If you're buying a new stove, you better have it checked. You're taking your health and life in your own hands for something stupid like this. This is LG. What the hell? It has 4 burners, a broiler on the top, 2 ovens. And the what's the model of this? LG what again?
It is LTG47.
LTG47 model. It's an LG regardless. But in the meantime, I'll sign out and I'll have some more information on this as soon as I can.